Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer Xumo TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to your settings on your Pioneer TV. If you have this remote here, you have a settings button right there. You can tap on that, or you just click on the home button. Home page here, you can just navigate to the gear icon up there. So I'm going to go up and then move over to the right there. And then I'm going to select that, settings. Now I'm going to go down one to Bluetooth devices right there, and I'm going to select that. Now it says, you see the available devices, there's a little spinny thing on there. It's searching for devices near me that's in pairing mode, okay? You can see I had my Beats Solo 3 paired to this before, but now we got to put this in a pairing mode so we can find it, okay? So go ahead, you have one power button here and the LED light is over here. So go ahead and press and hold for 3 seconds, turn it on. If it starts blinking white, it's in pairing mode, okay? Mine has a solid white light because I think it's connected to one of my phones or my TVs. So let me put this in pairing mode. Power button here. I'm gonna press and hold, ready, set, go. I'm gonna press and hold, keep on holding until it starts blinking white. Okay, there we go, you see it? White. Now, you see Beats Solo 4 right there. I'm just gonna go down one, select that, pair it, select again. And now you can see it says connected, Beats Solo 4. Also on one side of the earbuds, you can increase and decrease volume as well. You can see right there, over there. I can tap it or I can just press and hold it and go all the way down. If you guys had trouble pairing or you couldn't connect it, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below. Good luck, guys.